Hi everyone. Have you ever wished that you had your own AI assistant that gathers all the top news on the topic that you want and saves it cleanly into Notion on a regular basis and even pings you on WhatsApp once it's ready? Well, today in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build it. We'll be creating an AI agent that automates the entire process step by step. If you're into AI automation or just love making life easier, stay around. So, without wasting any further time, let's dive in. So, the first thing that you should do is go to Zapier.com. So, this is Zapier.com, and you have a tab called Agent. Click on that. Now, this is an agent that I've created earlier for LinkedIn post generation, and we have all these chat that I had with this agent. Now let's create a new one. Click on new agent, and for the name you can give us news agent. Then click on start from scratch. Then click on configure. Then we can give a description as agent that sends you the latest news of the day. Now as of now we don't have any data, so for this let's click on create behavior. So now we are creating the behavior for this one. So here you have to give clear instructions on what topic that you want the news on, and all those prompts actually that you give. So for this behavior I'll just name this as find and send news. So this would be responsible for finding and sending news. Now let me give the instructions. Yep, here is the instruction: collect the top 9 news on politics, tech, news items, each topic on the internet, then make a detailed summary on each news, 500 words, and the format should be date, then item, that finance, topic or tech, then title, it should be in bold, then a summary, then link to the source. Then we have given an example of how that should look like, and it has to be saved to a Notion page. So after this we have to insert an action. So here, right here, we'll be inserting an action. Click on insert action, scroll down and you will find Notion. Click on that. Then there is an action, add content to page. Click on that. Now we have added. This is the Notion page that I've already created for adding all my news content into this. Now let me set up this. I have already set up my Notion account with Zapier. Then you have to select the page, then choose the page that you've created for this latest news. Save. Now once the news is added, give me a notification in WhatsApp saying top news added for the date. So give the actual date here. Now again click on this insert action, search for WhatsApp notification, then click on this action, send message. Now you have to configure WhatsApp. I have already configured mine, so you have to connect your account. Then on the template, set a specific, so you can add this as new message, and I'll give this name as daily news. Click on save. That's it all for the instruction. Now let's save and let's test this behavior. Now click on this test behavior. The agent is searching on the internet for finance related and all those. Now I'm creating detailed summary of the top news, and it is getting added to our Notion page. So here is a brief about how those data look like, all those news from finance, tech and all those. Click on approve. Okay, it seems like there is a problem. Error due to body. Okay, it seems like it is a problem with the length of the document, so it knows how to fix it. So it is saying that I'll add content to Notion in multiple parts. Okay, now okay, it has splitted into different parts. Now I have approved the first part. Yeah. Okay, it have added all those details to my Notion page. Now it is going to send me on WhatsApp. Let's see if it is going to send me on WhatsApp message. So here is the preview of how the message is going to look like. Top news added for date March. Click on approve. Let me see if it is coming on WhatsApp. Action in progress. Action complete. Yes, I have got this message right here on WhatsApp. So here work alert, new message from daily news, top news added. So let me go back to latest news on Notion and CC. All those news are added right here. Date is there on the topic finance. Then links is also there. Great. Politics and tech. So I was able to create all those newses into this particular Notion page. Great. Now, as of now, the trigger is on demand. We have to make it as per our needs. So we have to schedule this. So for me, I'm going to click on schedule this by Zapier scheduler. Click on this every day and time of the day. So I hope I would be reading news on 7 in the morning would be a right time. So I'll add this as 7 a.m. in the morning. We have options trigger on weekend as well. Yes, let it get triggered on weekends as well. So all that, then click on save. Now you have to turn on this behavior as well. So click on turn on.
Well, that's it. You have your own very AI powered news assistant automatically collecting updates, saving them in Notion, and even notifying you via WhatsApp. Pretty cool, right? I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Till then, this is Castrigo Joseph signing off. Bye.